Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to remove floating home button on iPhone. If you have this floating home button onto your device, so this is a step-by-step guide for you onto how to remove this. So there might be some who prefer to have this, but if you want a cleaner UI or interface onto your device, so to remove this, just head onto the settings of your device. Right after, just go ahead and click onto accessibility in there, and then once you're already in, just click onto touch. Now, once you're already in here, onto its upper part, you should be able to see the assistive touch in here. So as you can see, it is currently turned on. Let's click onto that. And right after that, you'll just need to go ahead and toggle it off. So the green one indicates that it is toggled on. So you'll just need to swipe it to toggle it off and to remove the home button onto your screen. And that's just basically it onto how to remove the home button on your iPhone. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.